Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change subtitle language in YouTube. Whether you are using a phone or a computer, this tutorial will cover both methods. By the end, you will know exactly how to adjust the subtitle settings for your convenience. Let's get started. First, let's focus on how to do this on your phone. First, open the YouTube mobile app on your phone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on the option labeled Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you see the section called Captions. Tap on it. Within the Captions menu, you will see a toggle labeled Show Captions. If this toggle is off, switch it on by tapping it. This enables captions to appear when they are available in videos. Below this toggle, you will see an option labeled More Options. Tap on this option to access further settings. Here, you will see an option labeled Language. Tap on it to view a list of available subtitle languages. Browse through the list and select the language you prefer. For instance, if you want English subtitles but in a specific regional variation, you can choose something like Arabic. Once selected, the app will apply the language to the subtitles for all videos with captions available. If you ever want to change the subtitle language again, repeat the process by returning to the Language option within the caption settings. Make your new selection and it will update automatically. That's how you can easily change the subtitle language on the YouTube mobile app. Now, let's move to the process on a computer. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Play a video with subtitles. Once the video starts, move your cursor to the video player to reveal the controls. Look for the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the video player and click on it. A menu will appear. Click on Subtitles CC. A list of available languages will be displayed. Click on the language you prefer and the subtitles will change immediately. If you do not see the language you are looking for, it means the video does not support that language. You can also access auto-translation by clicking on Auto-Translate and selecting a language from the list provided. Keep in mind that auto-translated subtitles may not be completely accurate. And that's it. Now you know how to change the subtitle language on YouTube using both your phone and computer. Adjusting subtitles can make your YouTube experience more accessible and enjoyable. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.